Hi, I'm Tom Welgum. You are watching the ASUG News Studio, which is sponsored by NCT Data, and we are live here at TechEd and Decode in Las Vegas. And we are thrilled to have Bjorn Goerke in the studio. Bjorn, you did such a great job this morning with your keynote. We're going to dive into a couple things there, but it's fabulous to have you here.
Thank you.
You have a great title. Well, what does it mean? That's what I want to ask you. I mean, they gave you the keynote slot, so I'm assuming you have a pretty good job there and they trust you. So what do you do there? What are you responsible for?
Actually a great job because I'm running all of the technology development at SAP, so we're doing all the platform development, and that's a quite exciting job in these days, and we had the opportunity this morning to talk more about it.
And you did, and it was a very interesting overview. I thought you did a good job demystifying what a lot of SAP customers may feel that there's pockets of that they're a little bit mystified by. So, you came up with this phrase that resonated: one truth, one platform, one data.
Experience, yeah.
Talk about that a little bit. What does that mean to what do you think that means to the average SAP customer?
Yeah, my idea was basically, well, how could I think in simple terms about all the complex and sometimes kind of overwhelming stuff that we're doing. So it was really about getting to one truth as a core of what we're doing within the corporations, and what you want to see in your business is, do you have one truth in the way how you see your business operating, and once you have achieved that, you can start building on top of that all those solutions that you're looking for. And actually SAP HANA is the way how we believe we can make that one truth in your business possible. Then we wanted to say, once you have established that core, you need one platform to leverage and to make use of all the information that you have in the system. But all of that, even no matter how great the platform is that you can build those solutions on and how you can operate our solutions on top of that platform, you need this one experience, because if you don't engage with end users, if you don't engage with your customers, if you don't provide them with a delightful experience, they are not going to make any use of all the value that you have within that platform and that one core. So that was the idea. And
that was great, and you executed well. I would say the star of TechEd Decode has been the HANA Cloud Platform. Yeah. At Sapphire, now an annual conference, it got some play, but I really think that it's come out and been thrust upon everyone, and I think both you and Steve obviously have done a great job explaining that. As you look at kind of the customer base right now, and those who you want to get interested in HANA, what more do you think you have to do to get more people on that HANA Cloud Platform?
I think first of all, HANA Cloud Platform is our platform as a service offering, and what we've been thinking about is, how can we help customers to take all the core processes, all the core applications that they have to be deployed either on-premise in the data centers or in our managed cloud environment, the HANA Enterprise Cloud. How can they take all our SaaS solutions and get more value out of those? So they will usually want to extend the applications we have provided. They will want to integrate those applications with SAP and non-SAP systems. And what would it take them today with a classical approach to actually get that achieved? What would be necessary? How many technology components would you have to understand that you would have to put into place to make these extensions, these integration capabilities? And we thought, now if we would offer a platform in the cloud that would come with all those services that you would usually need to extend or integrate or even build completely new apps on top of the solutions you have deployed already today, well, that would be a great value proposition. And we believe that when we provide UI capabilities, mobile capabilities, process integration capabilities, analytics, HANA performance and data management capabilities, if we provide that all in a very simple to consume, delightful experience, that's something that will immediately provide value to many, many of our customers, whether they are coming from the business suite core application side, or whether they are coming from our Hybris or Ariba network or SuccessFactors solution portfolio.
That's great. That's a great point. I mean, that's, I think, what does resonate with customers. You must get to see a ton of cool technology products, applications of HANA you probably never thought. I mean, the state of Indiana yesterday. What's something cool you've seen recently with HANA that just blows your mind?
We're showing one of those examples this morning. I really like that example where Alianda, one of our customers, the largest energy provider in the Netherlands, was actually using our technology, our platform, HANA at the core, to build a solution that helped them do predictive maintenance on gas pipelines. And if those pipelines happen to create trouble, and we had this catastrophic disaster like in 2010 in Northern California, you get to understand why it's so important to put all the information that you have in your systems, whether it's your master data about your pipelines that you have deployed, and information around, for example, geospatial information, where it is buried under the ground. If you can find a way how you can quickly combine that information in a simple to consume fashion and kind of gain insights into what's happening there under the ground, and you can start doing predictive maintenance in the right priorities, in the right spots in the Netherlands. I think that's an extremely powerful example to show what's possible with HANA and with the platform we build on top.
I think that and the state of Indiana yesterday, those two resonated with the crowd the most.
Yeah.
So good choices there. Bjorn, thank you so much for coming in. We appreciate it. Look forward to hearing more from you over the next couple of years.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me here.
For more interviews, please go to asugnews.com, and we thank you for watching. Thank you, sir.